Hello, hello. Hello, my name is Alan Utter. I'm at Arkansas State University, and I would like to welcome you to the 2020 Created State Student Research Symposium. Over the 3-day period, 145 student research presentations will be delivered by a total of 165 of our students and 53 of our faculty mentors. At Arkansas State University, we feel that it's important not only that students understand the knowledge that's shared with them in the classroom from textbooks, but we also want our students to understand how new knowledge is discovered, how discoveries are made, how do you extend the body of knowledge in a given discipline. And you do this through the research and creative endeavors process. This process is typically referred to as a high impact practice, and we, or myself and we, the faculty, are big proponents of high impact practices here at Arkansas State University. Essentially, a high impact practice is when our faculty are working with students on an initiative outside of the classroom. And student research is a great example of that. Other examples include internships, practicums, study abroad, international study abroad, working with a nonprofit community partner, high impact practice, and again, student research, a big part of that. What are some of the other benefits of engaging in research from a student standpoint? Well, one, graduate schools are certainly looking for this type of experience, especially with undergraduates. They want to see that undergraduate students have the basic understanding of how research is conducted and how we implement and support research from a student standpoint. So again, increasing your opportunities for securing admission into graduate school. Employers are looking for this type of experience. Employers want to see that students understand how to ask a question, a good question, how to attempt to gather information to answer that question. How do they go about interpreting the information that they've collected from a statistical standpoint? How do they, again, interpret and analyze that information? And then finally, how do they disseminate that? Those are the steps involved in knowledge creation, that industry that employers are looking for in students. Finally, students also have an opportunity to ask questions that maybe nobody else has yet to ask. And this is another advantage of engaging in student research as an undergraduate or a graduate student. And then finally, I think one of the best advantages or the biggest advantages of engaging in student research is that it's fun. Students get to work alongside of our faculty members in a lab, in a studio, in a field setting, maybe on a stage, but students are actually rolling up their sleeves and working hand in hand, side by side of our faculty, and hopefully generating new knowledge and making discoveries. These are the hallmarks of the benefits of engaging in student research. I hope that you will enjoy the presentations that will be delivered over this 3-day period. I want to take just one moment and thank personally all 53 of our faculty mentors that have mentored these students in the research process, especially during these very challenging times as we're dealing with a pandemic. And finally, I want to just take a moment. I want to wish every student that will be presenting their research over the next few days the very best in your presentations, the best of luck. And I hope that all of you enjoy the meeting. Thank you.